Lecture on Electricity, Class 10 by ACE, Part 1. Electricity is defined as the flow of electric charge. Matter is composed of atoms. Each atom is composed of neutrons, protons and electrons. Keeping in mind electricity, material of different types are divided into two groups, good conductors and bad conductors. Good conductors of electricity have some free electrons which keep on moving at random. If these electrons start to flow in a particular direction, then electric current is generated. Properties of different subatomic particles. Proton has mass 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 27 and charge 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. The relative mass is 1 and relative charge is positive 1. Neutron has mass 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27. Charge is 0 and relative mass is 1 and relative charge is 0. Electron has mass 9.109 into 10 to the power minus 31. Charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. Relative mass is 1 and relative charge is minus 1. Fractional electricity: when two dry substances of different types are rubbed with each other and then separated, each substance acquires property of attracting light pieces of paper, dry leaves, straw, etc. The substance being rubbed acquires fractional electricity. It does so after acquiring or losing electric charge. The two substances rubbed with each other acquire equal and opposite charges. For example, if a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, the glass rod develops positive charge and silk cloth develops negative charge. The same way, when woolen cloth or cat skin is rubbed with ebonite or rubber rod, then woolen cloth or cat skin develops positive charge, while ebonite or rubber rod develops negative charge. The same way, if we comb dry hair, the dry hair develop positive charge and comb which is of plastic develop negative charge. Important terms associated with electricity. Electric charge, a property of subatomic particle which determines the electromagnetic interaction. It is measured in coulombs. Electric current, a flow of electrically charged particle. It is measured in amperes. Electric field, it is an electromagnetic field produced by an electric charge even when there is no electric current. The electric field of a static charge produces a force on another charge in its vicinity. Moving charges additionally produce a magnetic field. The SI unit of electric field strength is volt per meter or Newton per coulomb. Electric potential, the capacity of an electric field to do work on an electric charge. It is measured in volts. Coulomb's laws. How does a body acquire electric charge? A body acquires a positive or negative charge by losing or gaining electrons. The one which loses electrons develops positive charge and the one which gains electrons develops negative charge. Alike charges repel each other while unlike attract. Coulomb's law. Magnitude of electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The force is along the straight line joining them. F is directly proportional to Q1 into Q2 divided by R square, or F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. K is Coulomb's law's constant, which has the value 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Q1, Q2 represent the quantities of charges on object 1 and object 2, and r is the distance between the object's center. Conductors and insulators. In a conductor, electric current can flow freely, while an insulator it cannot. Carbon and most of the metals are good conductors of electricity, while non-metals other than carbon are bad conductors or insulators. Good conductors have very low resistance to the flow of electric current, while good insulators have very high resistance. Types of electricity. Static electricity. Type of electricity in which charges remain at the rest or in a static position. It is created by rubbing with each other two bad conductors. Current electricity. Type of electricity in which charges have continuous flow. It flows through good conductors of electricity. Expression of electric current. Electric current I is expressed as the rate of flow of electric charges. It means the amount of charge Q flowing through a particular area in unit time T. I is equal to Q upon T. Q is equal to N into E, where N is the number of electrons and E is the charge on each electron. Direction of flow of current in a circuit. The positive charge flow from positive electrode to negative electrode, rather positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal, and negative charge flows from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. 1 coulomb is nearly equal to electric charge on 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. SI unit of electric current is ampere. 1 ampere is the flow of electric charge through a surface at the rate of 1 coulomb per second. This means if 1 coulomb of electric charge flows through a cross section for 1 second, it would be equal to 1 ampere. Therefore, 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. A small quantity of electric current. A small quantity of electric current is expressed in milliampere and microampere. Milliampere is written as small capital A, while microampere is written mu A. 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous and closed path of electric current. Types of electric current. Direct electric current DC and indirect electric current AC. In DC, the electrons flow steadily in a single direction. In AC, electrons keep switching directions, going forward and then going backward. Electric cell. It is a device that is capable of changing some form of energy, such as chemical, nuclear or radial energy into electricity. Battery. A single electric cell or group of cell is called electric battery. Feel free to ask questions through comments. We shall reply to all your queries.